To properly set up YouTube Kids, simply press the menu option. Now scroll down until you see YouTube Kids. Once this section opens, press where it says, I'm a parent. Now click Next. In this box, enter your year of birth and click Submit. Then click where it says, Show Text. To continue and create a profile, press Next. Here, sign in with an account for greater control over the profile and to view the watch history. Scroll down and click Next. Enter your account password and click Next. In this section, create a profile by filling in the requested information, such as name, age, and birth month, and then click Next. Now select any of these three options. In this section, two options appear. Turn off search allows the child to watch videos only from verified channels and prevents them from performing searches. Meanwhile, this option allows searching for new videos on the YouTube Kids platform. Click Next. Finally, click Done, and YouTube Kids will now be set up properly and safely. That's all for today. See you in the next video.